Let's be honest. Some days discipline doesn't just set in. You wake up and everything in you says, skip the workout, skip the meal prep, and just chill, just relax for a moment and chill. I know that feeling, right? And it feels okay if you want to listen. And in today's video, I'm here to share with you about this tiny trick that changed everything for me. This 10-minute trick actually saved me on days when I had zero willpower, no plans. And I'm telling you, trust me, this tiny little decision virtually changed everything. We all glorify discipline. We act like if discipline is not there, everything around us has failed. And we all know discipline isn't loyal. It comes and goes. And when it doesn't show up, we quickly give up. And that is where this tiny 10 minutes decision clock comes in. It doesn't require you to be motivated. It doesn't require you to have energy. All it requires you is to show up for 10 minutes. 10 good minutes. That is all it requires. And to tell you the truth, this 10 minutes is what flips the day. It makes it more brighter, more productive, and more fun.
When it comes to weight loss, it's okay to not feel like eating healthy. It's okay to not feel like exercising. Let's forget all about the cock and bull story about being disciplined, getting into your discipline girl era, all the cock and bull stories. Yes, it's discipline that gets the job done. There are some days, I'm not going to lie to you, that discipline doesn't just set in. I don't know, for some reason, it doesn't just set in. Today, I was feeling so tired. I almost missed workout today. I told myself, I'm going to miss workout today. Because yesterday, I told myself same thing. I'm going to miss workout yesterday and do workout today. And today, I got up, I did everything. I did my video. I did take care of the house, cook food for my kids, and did everything. I felt so tired this evening, and I asked myself, like, am I going to still miss workout today? Of course. I'm getting at that level where my discipline is being questioned. So I'm like, the discipline is not just setting in today. I don't know, for some reason, it's not just setting in today. I've cooked food. I don't have time to go and make my own healthy meal to eat. I'm really tired. So thinking about it, I asked myself today, like, okay, now that I don't want to work, I'm not feeling as to work out, I'm not motivated to work out, I need to use discipline, and the discipline is not even setting in. So what next should I do? I just told myself, okay, yesterday I promised myself I was gonna work out today. Even if I can't work out like 40 minutes, as I usually do on the treadmill, I'm gonna go for 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, and I'm done. I just told myself that 10 minutes is not going to kill me. 10 minutes, I will just do this and I'm done for today. Because I'm really tired. I'm really stressed. I just want to shower and sleep. Sometimes, let's be realistic. We are all humans. We face problems. Even with the most disciplined people, they still face days that they don't feel like doing something. Some days, discipline don't just set in. Today, my discipline didn't set in. And I really knew I missed working out yesterday. So I told myself, if I miss workout today, it might become a pattern. Then I decided to go for the 10 minutes workout, like I said. Do you know what happened? The 10 minutes became 40 minutes because there is something about that 10 minutes you're putting in. When you put in 10 minutes, there's a probability or tendency that you turn that 10 minutes into 40 minutes. 50 minutes, because once you get on that machine, on that treadmill, you just start feeling the vibe, you just start feeling that energy, you start getting that strength, you start getting that motivation to keep going. And that's how I finally worked out for 40 minutes, as I usually do. Telling you that without the benefit of doubt, I never knew I was going to even work out up to 10 minutes today. I knew I was going to climb on that machine. Might be 8 minutes, I'm done. But do you know what? As I got on the machine, the strength came, the feeling came, the vibe came, everything came. back to normal, and I finished from there, and now I'm preparing to do my strength training. Did I believe I'll do strength training today? No. Did I believe I'll walk out for 40 minutes? No. What got me up today to walk out was just that 10 minutes I wanted to input today. Just to clear myself from that feeling of regret, from beating up myself for not walking out today, I decided to put in that 10 minutes. And that 10 minutes has become something I wanted us to talk about. And that's why I'm telling you, you who are watching me right now, give in that 10 minutes. Give in that 10 minutes, even if it's as small as 5 minutes. Don't skip your workout. If you skip one day, don't skip the next day. No matter how busy you are, give in that 5 minutes. I'm telling you, the 5 minutes will become 10. The 10 minutes will become 15 once you start that workout. You'll finally notice you've given more than the 5 minutes you wanted to start up with. When it comes to food, what I do is, I don't make myself feel like I cannot have the good things in life anymore because I want to lose weight. For example, what I do is, if I cook rice and I really want to eat rice, like I'm craving for rice, right? And I have to eat healthy. I don't want to tell myself, oh, now I'm disciplined, I cannot eat rice because I'm on a weight loss journey. I have to stick to a plan. I have to be on low calories. What I do is I actually get 3 spoons of that rice and eat, just to kill that cravings. You know, there's a time in your weight loss journey that cravings normally comes. And when the craving comes, don't push it away. If you push it away, that's when it becomes frustration. That's when you get frustrated. Don't push the cravings away. If you crave bread, take a slice of bread, cut into 2 and eat half of that bread, and then you eat your healthy meal. Don't push it. When you push it, the next day you keep pushing it, then you start feeling frustrated. You feel like the journey is too difficult and you finally give up. What you do is, if you're craving rice, eat 3 spoons of rice. Eating spoons of rice just to kill that cravings. After you've eaten that 3 spoons of rice, you feel better. And then now you can go in for your healthy meal. Push it off. Don't push your cravings off. You can crave and eat what you want, but the truth is, don't eat too much. Eat to kill the cravings. Don't eat because you want to get full or you want to eat that food too much. You eat it just to kill that cravings that you're having at the moment. That's how you get better with each day.
And here's one thing I want you to remember. Discipline won't always be there, but you will. The 10 minutes decision you put in every day, especially on hard days. On days you don't feel like doing. On days you have zero intention of doing. This 10 minutes is what builds the life you want. Not perfection, not motivation, just showing up whenever you don't feel like it. That is all it takes. 10 minutes. To crown it all, don't wait for a perfect mood. Don't wait for motivation to knock. Because the truth is, action creates motivation, not the other way around. And to tell you the truth, your future self is watching and is very proud of you for not giving up today. So applaud yourself for not giving up. And if this is your first time of coming across this video or seeing this face, please kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification. Why not? So that each time I upload a video like this, you get notified about it. We are all about inspiring and empowering women to become the best version of themselves. And all this comes with a lot of laughter. So please hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can take this channel to greater heights. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.